Good day, scholars. Welcome back to another UTME preparatory lesson on comprehension passages. In this video, we will read and answer questions from UTME 2017. The instruction says, read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. Now to the passage. Anthropologists tell us that for a society to remain stable, the roles of men and women must be properly differentiated and well defined. In primitive societies, the men were assigned the roles of going out to hunt, fish, and fight off the hostile tribe next door, while the women did the housekeeping and minded the children. The men were believed to be superior to the women in physical strength and capability. There was a controversy in these societies as to what the roles of the sexes should be. Consequently, primitive societies enjoyed great stability. However, with the advancement of civilization, many of the special privileges traditionally enjoyed by men began to be eroded one after another. There is hardly any sphere of human endeavor in which women have not gained a firm foothold. There are women doctors, engineers, pilots, prime ministers, judges, bankers, and so on. Today, the women's spheres of operation are no longer restricted to the home. She is successfully competing with her counterparts in every area of human activity. But has this development been an unqualified blessing to the society? To answer this question, let us examine some of the problems created in the process of achieving women's emancipation. First, a large number of women, including the married ones and mothers, now take up paid employment. The conditions attached to such employment make it extremely difficult, if not impossible, for them to take adequate care of their children at home. Since no one serves two masters, the health and education of the children suffer tremendously. I think that's an interesting passage. Let's answer the questions that follow. Question 1. Advantages usually enjoyed by men began to A. Weaken through gender sensitivity. Although the passage does not explicitly mention gender sensitivity, it does discuss how the erosion of privileges traditionally enjoyed by men began with the advancement of civilization. This is established in paragraph 1 of the passage. Question 2. According to the passage, what two masters are women struggling to serve? D. The office and the home. The passage mentions that conditions attached to paid employment for women make it difficult for them to take adequate care of their children at home. Therefore, the two masters women are struggling to serve are their jobs and their responsibilities at home. This can be found in paragraph 2 of the passage. Question 3. According to the passage, ancient societies were secured because B. The tasks of women and men were outlined. Paragraph 1 of the passage suggests that in ancient societies, the roles of men and women were properly differentiated and well defined, contributing to stability. Question 4. From the passage, it can be inferred that women's emancipation resulted in A. Women becoming covertly ambitious. Women's emancipation, as described in the last paragraph of the passage, allow them to enter various fields of work and compete in different areas. It suggests that women became more ambitious and expanded their horizons. Question 5. The phrase "suffer tremendously," as used in the passage, means D. Badly affected. In the passage, "suffer tremendously" refers to the negative impact on the health and education of children due to the conditions attached to women's employment. You don't want to miss the next comprehension passage. Join me in the next video to read and answer questions on this topic.